Starseeds, hi, welcome back to Irene the Cocoa Queen. So today we're going to be making something very delicious. We're going to be making vegan meatballs in a beautiful, delicious curry sauce, okay? So these meatballs are not only healthy, but they're super meaty on the inside. So you're not going to get this like mushy meatball. No, 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 no. This is a serious vegan meatball, guys, okay? So before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe because I am here every single week freeing all beings, one recipe at a time together. So let's get in the kitchen and let me show you how to make it. So we are going to start off by making these delicious vegan meatballs. So the first thing you need to do is get out your frying pan, and to your frying pan you're going to add in a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, and to that you're going to add in some onions and some garlic. Just going to cook this up for about 5 minutes until the onions are nice and translucent. Once your onions and your garlic are cooked, you're going to add this to a food processor along with your cooked lentils. Now you can pre-cook these, or you can actually buy ready like lentils in a can. Either way is fine. And then you're gonna add in some almond flour, and you're gonna process that up in the food processor until it's creamy and smooth. Now it doesn't have to be completely creamy. You can still have some chunks here and there of lentils, so don't panic, okay? This only takes about maybe 20 seconds to actually process. So once that's done, you're going to take a bowl and you're going to pour all of this beautiful mixture that we've mixed in the food processor into the bowl, and then to that you're going to add in your vital wheat gluten and the salt and pepper, and then you're going to mix that up with a spoon until you get crumbs, okay? Once that's done, you're going to add in the vegan broth of your choice, and then with your hands you're just going to mix it up until you get a nice dough. This is just going to take about like 30 or 40 seconds to mix with your hands. So once that's done, you're going to roll this dough into little balls and place them on a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. So once you've rolled all the dough into little balls, you're going to place them into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Okay, once the 20 minutes is up, you're just going to flip them, and then you're going to cook them for another 10 minutes. Okay friends, so while the meatballs are cooking in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make this delicious Indian curry sauce. You ready? So before we start on our wonderful Indian curry sauce, don't forget that all the measurements are going to be in the description below, so don't panic. So to the same frying pan, we're going to add in vegan butter. You just want to stir that around until all the butter is nicely melted, and then you're going to add in some onions that are chopped. You can just roughly chop them. Garlic and ginger paste. For more information on how to make garlic and ginger paste, you can just look at the description below. Green chili if you're into spicy curries, and I am. If you're not, you can just totally leave the green chili out. You're going to mix all that up and you're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Finally, you guys, you're gonna have to add in your spices, okay? So today I'm gonna be using garam masala, curry, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. You're gonna give that a good mix, and then you're going to add in the tomato sauce. Once again, you're gonna give it a good mix, and you're gonna let that cook just for about 1 or 2 minutes until nice and bubbly. Okay, once that's done, you're going to add in the coconut cream and then the cashew nut cream. You're gonna mix it up, turn off the heat, and now we're gonna take this delicious sauce and we're gonna pour it into the blender, and you're just gonna blitz it up until it's nice and silky smooth. Once it is, you're gonna place it back into the frying pan. Okay friends, so once your sauce is back into the frying pan, all you have to do is remove the meatballs from the oven and then place them into the frying pan and just cover them with sauce, okay? Because the whole point is that we wanna hydrate the meatballs in the sauce. So you're gonna cook the meatballs in the sauce for about 5 more minutes, and then voila, you have a really delicious Indian meatball curry dish. Okay guys, so I love this recipe because these meatballs are actually really super meaty, and you're not gonna get that mushy interior like other vegan meatballs, okay? Because I've tried many kinds of vegan meatballs. These are absolutely delicious and super meaty. You can serve this with rice or on its own with some naan bread. It's absolutely delicious, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love this. Okay friends, so if you make this recipe, I wanna hear from you. Please leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked the recipe, okay? Don't forget, I'm here every single week freeing all beings, one recipe at a time, so don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.